Hey guys, it is Monday. Happy Martin Luther King Day to everybody. Me and hubby are on our way out to look for things for the kitchen, and I'll bring y'all along with us. So I did end up going to Bath and Body Works for the semi-annual sale, and I was able to pick up the Hello Beautiful. I took the one spray that my husband had gotten for me into the night, and I exchanged it for the Hello Beautiful. It was not on sale, of course. I had to pay a little extra for that, but it's okay. That's my favorite one so far. Other than the Peach Bellini, I love Hello Beautiful. That's my favorite right now. And I got this coconut eucalyptus, the foaming hand wash. I also picked up the orange sunrise. That smells really good. I know I love my citruses, especially lemon. And then I got the Hello Beautiful body lotion. And I'll mix that with my lotion at nighttime, my lotion and Vaseline. And then I picked up Pearberry. This smells so good and fresh too. And then I also picked up these car fragrances. And I got the Sunwash Citrus. I got the Gingham. That smells really good. And I also got the Mahogany Teakwood. That smells really nice. In there right now, I have, oh goodness, what did I get? I got the Eucalyptus Spearmint in my car right now. I bought that about the day before I got these, and that's why I went back and got these. But this, oh my goodness, the Eucalyptus Spearmint smells so good. So yeah, that's my little haul for the semi-annual sale of Bath and Body Works. guys, so it is Wednesday evening and we've been out looking at cabinets again. Third day. Well, we're looking at granite today. But anyway, sometimes you got to throw together a quick meal. So I came home, didn't know what I was going to make. Made a soup, and what I did was emptied 2 cans of black eyed peas, 1 can of chicken broth, about a cup or two of water. Well, first I boiled the kale greens, boiled that in about a half pot of water, a little less than a half pot of water. Seasoned it, put a turkey tail in it, and I had fried chicken breast, and I took off the skin of the 2 chicken breasts that I had, cut the breast up, put the meat in there, and what else? Smoked sausage, onion, garlic, and let's see. Over here I have bread. I have brioche buns. These two are, because I can't eat brioche. It has eggs in it. So I have this, and then I put Parmesan on it and butter, and then sprinkled garlic powder, and what else? Italian seasonings on both. This is a hot dog bun, so this is what I'm going to eat, but it's like garlic bread, Italian garlic bread. So that is delicious. And yeah, we're about to eat. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning, and we're up, about to go to look at some cabinets again. So I'm making biscuits, sausage. So we're about to get the day going.